Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to make some pizza sauce. It's a multi-purpose pizza sauce. So let's get started. Let's put this awesome tomato sauce, pizza sauce together. So normally you would boil or roast your tomato. I didn't want to boil it, so I just steam it to get the skin off, and then I cut up some. Now while that is resting, let's put some butter in a pan, and I am going to add some grated onions to that. And once that has sauteed, I am going to add my chopped tomatoes, let that cook down. But then I am now going to add some salt, sugar, oregano, and a little bit of pizza seasoning and mix that in, cover it. And in the meantime, I am going to boil the other set of tomato with garlic and bring it to a nice creamy consistency. Then I am going to add it to the pot, and I also added some tomato paste. So once that has sauteed enough, as I said, I am going to add the sauce that we just blended. So my reason for adding the tomato paste is basically because I find the tomato wasn't red enough. So I added some butter and I added some green seasoning. That link would be above. Then I am going to let that cook down once all that liquid has evaporated. Now it's time to blend. So let's get blending. Let's go.
Alright, so now I'm going to place this in the blender just to get a smoother consistency, simply because I'm mainly going to use this to make a pizza, and I want to try and make a tomato pepper sauce also. So with this I'm going to add some green peppers and blend it up and boil it again.
I am only blending because remember when we started to cook, we will cook with chunks of tomato.
Alright, now we're going to blend it, and once we have finished blending it, I am going to put it back on the stove again to cook. The more I cook it, is the longer this will last. Keep that in mind, okay?
Alright, so it's blended up nice and smooth. Put it back into the pan, and I'm going to hot it back up again once it starts to bubble. Nice and dry, and we're going to let it cool and cover. I'm going to make my pizza. Well, my daughter is going to make the pizza actually, because she's really good at making pizzas.
Alright, so I'm going to leave the little dregs in there because I'm going to cook some tuna. So I'm going to leave this little bit in here. I'm going to clean up around here and store it. A little advice, I would suggest that you sterilize your container that you're using, or just wash it properly. Yeah? Alright. And store. And there we have it, our own pizza sauce or tomato sauce, however you want to use it. But I made this specifically for pizza, and I'm going to make some pepper sauce with it. So alright, thanks for watching. Bye.